So the temperature of the room right now is 15 degrees. This PC has been sleeping all day in sleep mode. Plugged into the mains, but in sleep mode. The fan under this grill is silent, not moving at all. But the temperature of the back is measuring over 40 degrees and climbing. Even this silly little thermometer is measuring 30 degrees. This glass thermometer, which is just touching that, is it's now at 43 degrees and still climbing. And let me tell you, touching the back is very, very hot indeed. Temperature has climbed to now 46 degrees, and that's just using this glass thermometer. This is at 33. But I can tell you it is much hotter.